Hello friends, so in this tutorial we will learn how to create a table in MySQL. So as you can see on the screen, here we already have a basic syntax of how to create a table in MySQL, and I'm going to follow this same syntax for creating a table. Okay, and in the sidebar, as you can see, we have already selected our default database company. Okay, and right now it doesn't have any table, so we will create our first table called employees. So I will type create table, and then if not exist, here these three keywords, they are optionals. Okay, and then name of the table, that is employees, and then parenthesis and semicolon, and within these parentheses we will mention the columns. So our first column will be employee ID, and the data type for this column will be integer. Next, employee first name, and the data type for this I will choose varchar with 50 characters. Okay, and the next one is employee last name. The data type is same as the previous one, varchar with 50 characters. And finally we will have our last column as employee date of birth, and the data type will be date. Okay, so right now for this example I'm just adding 4 columns, but you can add more if you want to. Okay, so let's create this table, and you can see it executed successfully. And let's refresh this, and here we have our first table, employees. Okay, now if I want to display the description of this table, then here we have two keywords, DESC or describe. You can select either of them, but here I just type DESC and then name of the table. Let's execute this, and as you can see, it displayed the list of fields that exist in this table and their data types, if they are nullable or not, any key exists or not, and their default values. Okay, so this is how we display or show the description of the table. Alright, and finally if I want to delete or drop this table, then I will use drop table command and then name of the table. Okay, so that's it. Now if I execute this, you can see it executed successfully and the table is gone. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.